Dude, someone literally commented on our last video and they're like, I'd watch these if it weren't for your stupid dance moves in the beginning. Like, good.
I don't want you to watch them.
Yeah, I literally said, like, sorry, the fun police just arrived, everyone.
Whatever username you are, if you can't get past our incredible dance moves.
No, he won't even hear this because he don't watch them. We had dance moves.
How are you supposed to get our incredible sock tips?
Yeah, true.
You know, there's a give and take. There's some sacrifice in life, and if all you have to do is sacrifice 5 seconds to watch our dance moves to get some stock tips, like, I don't even want you here. That's all I got to say about that.
Matt's girlfriend has to sacrifice 5 seconds a lot too.
Oh my God! Mute his mic, Andrew.
Not for the stock tips.
Can you mute his mic?
Unplug
him. Mute the mic. He's been cut off. Privileges revoked.
Oh man!
I don't think we can say we're back, but
no, we definitely.
We're green.
I feel no. Well, I'm
collectively we're a group.
Yeah, we are a group. Honestly, I don't even care. Today felt so much less stressful.
Yep.
Like way less stressful. Like just wild.
Yeah. I definitely forced some trades in the afternoon. Sure,
I did too.
Like a little bit of FOMO in there. But this morning I did good. Traded less size. You know, I ended the day up like $600. So
I'm down $33, baby. Can we get a round of applause from the live audience?
$567. It adds up over time, though.
No, it does. And it's really, honestly, more than, it's not really, obviously, like if this is going to sound bad, but like that's not even close to life-changing money. That's like what we risk on a trade when the market's slow.
Yeah.
But, or half of a, you know what I mean? But like in the same breath, it's just the consistency, getting back into good habits because right now,
it's all mental.
And it's,
that's where I want to go.
Let's say the market heats up this winter, right? Like that's when people slip up. Yep. And get rewarded for it. I would rather go into a hot market with good habits. And the better the habits you have, the easier, not to say the easier trading is, but if you respect your risk, it becomes a lot easier than it is. You know what I mean? So if we can go into the a hot market with good habits, that's all I care about. And size will come back.
Because trading, like the concepts is simple. And then after that, it's all mental. It's all mental, all of it. Like
it's
the confidence, the discipline.
The discipline's huge.
Like, and it's just all mental.
It's like it sucks that it can't be overstated how important the discipline is because I know literally any pattern that you hear out there, the first green day, a first red day, like those are all profitable patterns. It's your ability to stick to trading just the patterns, just the setups that work for you. That's the hardest part, and that's the hardest part for any new trader.
Absolutely.
So. You know, it's part of the game. You'll learn more as you go along, but you gotta go through those kind of hardships on your with yourself first. You know, part of the game.
He's a poet, everybody. Let's pull up some charts here. We got small cap rockets be there. We had a great trade today. Honestly, everyone in ISEE.
Yep.
This is like a third day surge type of move. I love it when they gap up like this.
Yep.
It makes. Let's go to 2 days so you can really see it. It makes risk. I guess it didn't gap up. I thought it did in my head. Anyways, it gapped sideways. But the key level to hold was 1450 for sure. Look at this crazy consolidation at 1450 yesterday. The dip to the close. The dip out of the gate today. 1450 was the level. It held the level. And like Bryce said this morning, I'll quote him. He's like, this is like an old-fashioned dip and rip. Because it is. Like, it just dips out of the gate, holds that key level, and then grind it up. We had this great consolidation and then swipe to highs here. This was all of my day and then some because then I lost some money being dumb on ATER.
Yep.
I think I made like 2,300 on this or so, 2,300. You know,
it's a nice little move there.
I was playing with smaller size than usual, but great move. Textbook play, what I look for every single day. Bryce's play out the gate was also very nice.
Yeah, classic first screen day.
Yeah, we'll put up daily so everyone can see it. RKLB. No, former runner though. 2 red days in a row. Pretty textbook.
Gapped up, small gap up. That was big, held the level. That's the dip and rip I love right there. That 1 minute, just kind of like, what's it going to do? Then as soon as it breaks that high, I've got a tight risk level. If it doesn't work, I cut quick. And I've always noticed, for the most part, especially on a stock that's not like a breakout, if it's going to be a really short dip and rip, I'm going to take profits quick. If it's not a long-term consolidation, I'm just scalping it for the meat of the move. And I got a good move there. I sold like 1660s. No, I didn't sell at 17 or whatever it got to, but it's a nice move. I made like $1,600 on that. Lost money on couple other trades the rest of the day. I followed my 3 strikes and out rule for the rest of them, though. If I can't get a ticket right, yeah, that was big. Just sized down like $300. I did take a couple, but no, that was a nice trade. A conclusion Matt and I have come to right before this is like the volatility is there the first like 20, 30 minutes, maybe. Like the best ones are going to present themselves right away.
Yeah.
Really almost isn't worth sticking around for a whole lot longer after that.
It truly is tough. Like afternoon plays are far and few between.
Go to Spirit, pull up SPRT.
Well, so I was going to compare it to ATR. They're the same thing.
Same chart.
And this one, yes, great first red day. If anyone's a short seller out there, pretty textbook.
I know Huddy nailed this.
Yep. Well, sort of. I'll give him credit because it's Huddy. He did a good trade. It was a great trade. He got in on this bounce, risking, I don't know. I'm assuming.
I know Huddy. I think Huddy probably risked green.
Probably. And he covered here reasonably in like the 1280s. It just died. Like absolute destruction.
We were looking for that little scalp bounce on it.
Which scalp bounce is a textbook play. And like he tried to do it right around 11:30.
Tried to do it even before that, man.
And just got crushed. Like just absolute liquidation. And then when it did finally bounce, like sure, this was like what, $2 share bounce. It ended the day at lows too.
Yeah,
like,
it's tough.
Horrible. Maybe we could have a first green day. But like this is down 40% today. Like it just got clobbered. That's tough. Like, and then we had Spirit too.
We didn't even see this until
the support. Right. Yeah, I stopped watching it because it's gotten tough. But
VRPX too, dude. They're all done. Like they all just died.
They go on these crazy runs. Like this got to a high of 60
almost,
and today it's down. It's down 40%. Like it just got clobbered, bounceless too. Like literally bounceless. Just no consolidation, just constant downtrend. So it really speaks like not much is following through. So it's difficult. You got to be quick. You got to pick your spots.
Yeah. I
do like the morning, especially on any of those dip and rip type plays.
The dip and rips have worked best right now.
Even on OTCs, when OTCs truly dip and rip, ILUS, I can't remember if I talked about it. I talked about it somewhere with someone. ILUS, a couple days ago, like a little 5-day textbook dip and rip out the gate.
Did you trade that this morning? Oh, was this yesterday?
It was yesterday's morning. Okay. Gapped up, pulled back for this is a 3-minute candle. Pulled back for the first couple minutes, came back consolidated.
There's that consolidation I love.
And then broke over the highs and then went on like I don't know what percent this is, 20-30% run. Like textbook. You got a very clear risk level, very easy entry. You trade the first 30 minutes to an hour of the day. Move on.
You know what OTC did work well today?
That is the easiest play I see in the market right now.
What was that OTC trade that like? That did you see?
Start with a P, right?
Yeah, it's over. It's up like 300% today. We got over a penny.
I got my phone. 1 second.
It started like trip 4s or something.
Yeah, it did. It is PSRU.
Is it PSRU?
Yeah. This one?
Yeah. Yep.
NFT news. Shout out to the breaking news chat.
Yeah. Crushed it.
Because they crushed it right when the news came out over in here.
Yeah, that was beautiful.
Just monster run. I was looking at it.
I know
this, and it's just tough. Like
it scares me.
I mean, like say you buy this high a day, your risk is maybe 1.5 to 1, like 1.
Right. No, that's the problem. Buying up that far, like it's
right. Like the ideal entry, if you couldn't be fast enough on the news, for me would have been over this 7.3, 7.4 level.
And even that's scary.
But even that's
it never pulled back.
Like you gotta use small size and expect a big percent move. If there's news on this, honestly, it probably gaps up as the news spreads.
Yeah,
I'll be looking for the dip and rip on it in the morning, especially if it holds a penny out of the gate.
Yep.
Like
100%.
That's really probably the best play I see tomorrow morning.
Yeah, I agree. Not a whole lot I love.
No, market's tough out there. There's not the true multi-day runners. We were talking to Roland today.
Yeah,
and he was like, it's just tough. Like multi-day runners aren't there. Stuff like FAMI, FAMI.
That's the stuff that kills the momentum, though.
It kills the momentum when there's a lot of offerings.
That's what happened in 2019.
And then 2019, you go back and like there's still money to be made. Like I don't want you to get the wrong lesson here. It's just you gotta adjust the strategy. Short sellers, that was pretty much the place to be.
Yeah.
In 2019.
Oh yeah.
And
we're getting back to that right now.
We're getting there. And
not yet.
You know, last year, like some motivation for everyone, I guess, if you're struggling. Last September was my slowest month. I don't know of the year, but like in recent memory, I made like $2,500 the entire month of September last year, and I still like went on that crazy run and ended up making over $1 million in 12 months. And the month of September, I only made $2,000.
Yeah.
So September is always slow for me, and it sucks. Gotta suck it up. Don't lose money. Focus when the plays are there. If not, go live life because the plays are coming. They're like November, December, January, February. Like, you need to be putting in the work today, the next month, the next 60 days, because when the plays come, if you're not ready, like, it's night and day difference, because the people who are ready are going to be the ones that go on crazy hot streaks and start nailing all the plays. And you're looking at them, you're like, what are they doing? Like, why can't I do that? It's because they prepared now when the market's slow. So that way, when the market's hot, they're ready to crush it.
That's why I told in the beginning. That's why I sized down. I'm preparing for this
full
shit.
Circle.
We went full circle, MFers.
Yeah.
I don't know if I can swear.
So we can whip.
Yeah.
Nay, full circle that. Put it on your calendar.
Okay, now mute Matt's mic and block him out of the camera view, okay? Jesus.
Dab.
Okay. Hello, everybody. That's our literally, well, almost like a small crap recap. But, you know, the market was kind of crap today. But we did a good job at it staying small and just, we're not losing money right now. We're done with the drawdown phase. We're just building back until the market builds back.
Good habits.
Yep.
Stress-free, low risk. Build get in a good mental spot, because when the market flips, you got to be ready. And if you're in a bad mental spot, you're still going to lose money, even if the market's hot. You really are.
No doubt. Well said, Monaco.
Close
Matt's
us
a
out.
poet and he doesn't know it.
I've been told that before, even though I only last 5 seconds. What did I say, 5 minutes?
5 seconds in a trade, guys. Don't get your dirty minds out of here. He's just a scalper. That's what I'm going to tell your girlfriend.
Andrew, what do they have to do before they leave?
Yeah, guys, if you guys could just like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Our goal is 100,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So it would really help us out if you guys like, comment, subscribe. If you guys want to watch Bryce and Tui, do these tips and everything, it would really help you out.
And guys, if you're not doing it for us and our dance moves, do it for Andrew.
Do it for Andrew. If you've got
do it for Andrew.
If you've got a friend, brother, dog, parrot, I don't even care, lizard. You want to spread the video around. Give them some tips. Spread it with your friends. This is the great community. Help us get to our goal. We appreciate it.
But don't spread COVID with your friends.
Yes. We appreciate every single one of you. Thank you for watching and doing with us. We'll see you tomorrow.
Let's dab it out here. You ready? You're supposed to. Oh. Okay, got it.
Robot.
Nice.
Robot. This is a fluid movement. I hope you all enjoyed that video. Thanks for watching the whole thing and being part of the StocksToTrade community. We wouldn't be here without all of you. So if you have not already, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. Our goal at StocksToTrade is to reach 100,000 YouTube subscribers by the end of the year. So if you like the content we're putting out and you want to hear more, please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.